We have the recursive formula bk equals 2 times bk minus 1 minus 10 times bk minus 2, where b0 and b1 are both 9. So let's move everything on the left here. So we have bk minus 2bk minus 1 plus 10bk minus 2. That is equal to 0. This is going to be a quadratic in disguise for the characteristic equation. So we have bk is r squared, and then minus 2r plus 10 is equal to 0. We have to use a quadratic formula here because the discriminant is negative, and so we have 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 36 over 2. The square root of negative 36 is 6i, and so if we divide 2 and 6 by 2, we get 1 plus or minus 3i as the roots. So the general form is going to be b sub n equals a times 1 plus 3i to the nth power plus b times 1 minus 3i raised to the nth power. Now we want to use b0 and b1 equal to 9. When we do that, so let's say n is 0, 1 plus 3i and 1 minus 3i raised to the 0th power is 1. So we're just left with a plus b equaling to 9. And now we have to plug in n equals 1 to get b1 equals 9. So that's going to be a times 1 plus 3i plus b times 1 minus 3i, which is equal to 9. And if we distribute the a times 1 and then b times 1 is just a and b. And then, so that's a plus b here. And then we do a times 3i plus b times negative 3i. That's going to be 3ia minus 3ib. So I can factor out a 3i and get a minus b. Notice a plus b is 9 from over here, so that's what's going to get substituted. So we have 9 plus 3i times a minus b is 9. 9's cancel. Now we set that equal to 0. 3i times a minus b. Divide both sides by 3i to get a minus b is 0, which means a has to equal b. Now we want to use what we have. A plus b is 9, and since a is b, we can substitute a in for b. So we have a plus a is 9, which means a is 4.5, and because a is equal to b, so is b. So now we go over here, just replace a and b with 4.5 to get our final answer.